Good morning, children. It's nice to see you all again to this English online class. I hope you enjoy listening to the previous lesson that is about noun. Okay, now are you all ready to listen to this class? Okay, children. Now, before going to our today's class, I want you all to take out your English 1B notebook. English 1B notebook. I'll give you 30 seconds time. I want you all to take out the notebook. And I'm going to give a very short test. It's the same 5 words, right? So take your pencils and erasers also in your hand. Ready, children? I hope you are taking fast. Okay, the first one is going to be park. Number 1, park. Finish writing. Yeah, I'm going to give the names of things, names of person, names of animals and people. Okay, second one is mother. Write the spelling for mother. Alright? Have you finished? Good, children. Just try writing the spellings. Okay, number 3, table. Number 3, table. Have you all finished writing the spelling for table? Then number 4, tiger. Number 4, tiger. Have you all finished writing the spelling for tiger? Number 5, school. Number 5, school. I think it is very familiar to you all, right? Number 5, school. Are we finished, children? Okay, super, children. Next, shall we check the answers? Yeah, I'll show you the answer now. Just make corrections in your notebook. If you are correct with all spellings, then perfect, you're good. Or else you can do the corrections in your notebook itself. Okay, you can write the correct spelling for each word. Okay, now can you guess the plural for box? I've given 3 spelling for boxes. Boxes, boxes and boxes. Now which one is going to be the correct spelling? Okay, I'll show it in the last slide. Alright, now what is a noun? Which I've already taught you, right? So noun is nothing but the name of a person, place, animal or thing. So names of all these are nouns. Okay, now today we are going to learn about singular noun. So what is singular noun? Which is one of something, only one thing. Okay, one of something, one of a person, one of an animal, one of a thing or one of a place. Then that's going to be singular noun, which is single. So singular means where it shows single, right? Yeah, one of something. You can see 1B over there, right? Okay. Now what about the plural noun? We saw about the singular noun. What about the plural noun? It's more than a one. It's more than a one. You can see 3 B's over there. So it's more than one. That means plu means it's plus. It reminds us plus. Plus means it's one more, alright? So plural means more than a one. Singular means it's one of something. Alright? Okay, today we are going to learn 3 rules about the plural nouns. So how we all know the singular words, right? We know the spelling for mother, park, tree, person, name of a person, name of a bird. But when we talk about the plural, which is more than something, then we have to do some of, we have to add some of es or s or ies into the noun. So there are certain rules we have to follow. Now let's see 3 rules and we'll see it one by one. So what's the first rule? Which is add yes to make a plural noun. So what are the nouns we have? Just we have to add only s to it. So that is, now look at these words. Rule number 1, which is dog, girl, book and a park. Have you all taken down, children? Yeah. Now, what is the first rule I said? You're going to add only S to it. So now look at these answers. Let's read it. Dogs, girls, books and parks. We just simply add S to it. There is no other change in these plural nouns. We are going to add S to it. So these are the words. It just ends with a consonant. G, L, K. That's all. What's the second rule? Add ES to make a plural noun. First we saw S. The second we are going to see about ES, adding ES. Now, what's the simple rule? So when I can add ES to a noun, so when I have a noun which ends with S, SS, SH, CH, X and double X, double Z. I'll repeat. Yes, SS, SH, CH, X and double Z. Okay, when the noun ends with these letters or the pair of letters, then automatically we have to add ES to it. Now let's see a few examples here. Okay, I've already reminded you, right? So what is the plural for box? So 3 boxes are there. So which is the right one? Yeah, we saw the second rule, right? When the word ends with X, we'll add ES to it. See, the second boxes is the correct answer. Now let's see a few more examples along with it. See, we have bus, which ends with S. We have boss, fish, bench, box and quiz. If you notice these words, you can see these words end with S, double S, SH, CH, X and Z. So when the nouns end with these words, then automatically we add ES to it. Now see here, I have underlined the words, letters, S, double S, SH, CH, X and Z. So it's going to be like this. So let's say the plural form for bus is buses. Then bosses. What's the plural form for fish? Fishes. Plural form for bench? Benches. Then boxes. Then quizzes. Alright? Now moving on to the third rule. So what is the third rule we have? So drop the Y and add IES. First rule we saw just simply add S to it. The second rule we saw about adding ES to it. The third rule we are going to add IES and we are going to drop the Y and add IES to the plural noun. So what are the words? Now these are the words. Let's read it. Cherry, lady, puppy and party. Okay, now these are the words. If you notice these words end with the letter Y. So what is my third rule? I have to drop the Y and add IES to it, right? So see here, there is no more Y there in the word. I just dropped it and I have added IES to it. So what is the plural for cherry is? Cherries. Lady, ladies. Puppy, puppies. Party, parties. So third rule is very, very important. It's a little bit confusing, but you have to keep that in mind that when the singular noun ends with Y, you have to add IE, drop the Y and add IES to the plural nouns. Now it's your turn, children. So long I have already taught you about the nouns. So again also I have taught you. Now it's your turn to check your knowledge about the plural nouns, right? Now take down these words. Which, city, truck and dish in your 1B notebook. Take down these words and you are going to add the plural noun along with it. Okay? Now write only the answers. So what will come after CH, after Y, after K and after SH? Let's see how you understood. Okay. Have you all finished? Only 4 words, 4 simple words I have given. Let's check the answers. Have you all finished? Yeah. Super. The answers are witches, cities, trucks and dishes. Have you all written correctly? Wow, super children. You are excellent, right? You are amazing. You quickly understood the plural nouns. So there are 3 rules. Don't forget the 3 rules while writing the plural nouns in your note. Thank you children. Have a nice day. I'll come up with a new lesson in the next class. Till then, be safe. Stay at home.
Hello friends, I hope you enjoyed listening to the plural nouns and we also learned the 3 rules. Can you say after me? Yeah, first just adding yes to the noun, and the second one adding es to the noun which ends with yes, ss, sh, ch, z, double z and x. And then what's the third rule? Drop y. You drop y and replace with ies. Wow, super children. You all remembered what you have watched. Bye bye. I'll see you in the next class.